Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Ria, and I'm really happy that you are here with us today.
And I'm Shiva. Thank you so much for joining us. If you are someone who wants to learn English in a simple and natural way, then this podcast is just for you.
You know, many people think that English is very difficult. They feel nervous. They feel shy. And sometimes they are afraid of making mistakes.
But let me tell you something very important. Making mistakes is not bad. In fact, mistakes are the first step to learning something new.
Exactly. And that's why, in this podcast, we don't focus on perfection. We focus on practice.
We speak simple English. We explain everything step by step so that you can understand easily and start speaking confidently.
And today's topic is something very useful, something you can use in your daily life.
Yes, today we are going to learn past indefinite tense.
First, let's understand, what is past indefinite tense?
Past indefinite tense is used for actions that are completely finished in the past. यानी जो काम हो चुका है और खत्म हो गया.
We often use time words like yesterday, last night, last week.
For example, I played cricket. She watched a movie last night. We visited Delhi last week.
The structure is very simple. Subject plus verb, second form.
Now let's start a basic conversation. Ria, what did you do yesterday?
I watched a movie and played cricket. What about you?
I studied English and helped my mom.
Nice. So basically, we are talking about things that already happened, right?
Exactly. That's called past indefinite tense.
So Shiva, how do we make negative sentences in past indefinite?
Easy. Just use did not plus verb first form.
Can you give an example?
Sure. I did not watch TV.
Nice. So the structure is subject plus did not plus verb, first form.
So I can say I did not played cricket.
Oops, that's wrong. After did, always use the first form of the verb. So the correct one is I did not play cricket.
Oh, got it. So did already shows past. That's why verb stays in first form.
Exactly. Now how do we ask questions?
Just start with did, like did you watch the movie?
Oh, this is easy.
See, you're already speaking in past indefinite.
Yes.
So this is how you can ask questions.
Tell us in the comments.
So guys, today we learned past indefinite tense in a very easy way. Practice every day and don't be afraid of making mistakes.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you in the next episode.
We hope you understood everything clearly. Till then, keep learning and keep growing.
Thank you for watching.